Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new cycling vlogs for today. So we got some cycling accessories. Okay, and it's also this is also bago branded kasi actually mostly kasi dito mga branded kasi. So ito pala yung floor pump. Okay, so nakita niyo naman, di ba, sa thumbnail at saka yung description na ito, right? So at saka yung title pala ng video, hindi pala description. So this one right here is a good also, it is also a really good product and also a nice cycling accessories, right? So yes, and it's also, this is a good one also right over here, and here it goes right over here, and we've got the brand for this one, which is also the Blackburn, right? So okay, and this is also a multi-use. Okay, we've got right here is also some pressure zone gauge, we got some top lock pump head, and it's also inflation accessories. Okay, but I don't know if there's, okay, there it goes. They got some inflation accessories for the basketball or soccer ball, right? Soccer ball, volleyball, right? This one right here is also a really good product, and which is also, it has a pressure zone over here, and which I can see the PSI since what I the PSI of my wheel, yung gulong ko na naiwan ko sa yung bisikleta ko sa Pilipinas nung naiwan ko, ay yung PSI niya ay 20. So actually I think mas comfortable ako sa 20 na PSI kasi mas okay na talaga siya kung sa ganun. So okay, we've got right here the Blackburn. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take this off, right? This one right here is also, I need also to keep this one, the tag. Okay, since also maganda din naman siya, since also maganda din naman yung quality na ito, right? So I think meron akong correct. So ito, gagamitin ko na lang itong cutter na ito, right? So itong, okay, so dandahan ko na lang. So let's take it slowly para hindi masira yung cardboard na ito, para hindi masira yung cardboard. Alright, meron pa pala. So ayun, meron pa isang ziplock dito sa cable tie. So since napakahirap tanggalin naman ito so alright, here it goes, and it's already taken off. So here it goes. We've got right here is the some right over here. So binigay kasi ito ng kapatid ko itong floor pump na ito. So tall barrel for easiest inflation of bikes that require high pressure inflation, especially road bikes, right? Oversized reed gauge, dual and adaptive way with this one, Presta and Schrader. Okay, it's already Presta and Schrader, and also we've got some 160 maximum of PSI and pressure zone gauge and inflation accessories, right? Easy in ECS. Okay, here we go, some mountain cruiser, BMX and kids, and also road and hybrid, right? There's one right there. So lahat po yung klase ng mga bisikleta, pwede ito gagamitin, itong Blackburn na ito. So and I think Blackburn is one of the best cycling accessories here in USA, also together with the Ozark Trail, right? So they are a good products for cycling, right? And it's also these are also high recommended cycling tools, cycling accessories, right? And it's also one of the best cycling tools is also the Park Tool, right? So Park Tool is one of the best Park tool is one of the best cycling bike tools, cycling tools that cyclists recommend to use it, right? So you know already if you are also a bike mechanic, so you know already that Park tool is one of the best cycling tools here in USA. So okay, let's go gonna what is it? So Seek Air Tower 6 inch. So I think this is a 6 inches, right? So hindi kasya sa ano. Okay. So yun siya. So ang maganda dito kasi meron siyang ano dito, hindi siya, oh, ayan. At mataas siya. Napakataas niya. You know, right? So napakataas ng ano niya. So dual purpose, pwedeng shredder, pwedeng presta. So meron din kasi akong ano doon sa Pinas, ganitong floor pump, okay. Mayroon din akong ano dito doon sa na floor pump. So ano ba ito, okay? How to use this one? So this, I think gonna have to use this also. Okay, there you go. This gonna have to lock okay, this is, I think this is the lock, right? Ano ganyan pag ano mo sa bisikleta. And then also this one, right? Okay, there's a logo, okay, there's an icon. So I think this is for the shredder, and also this for the presta right over here. Okay, they got some icon where to put this one. Okay, madalawa siya, madalawa. So ito, yes, that one is for the presta, and this is for the shredder, right? So classic, right? So the old style shredder. So for the ano, and then this is one really good and it's also for you to use it up. So setting up, right? So and it's also very high, what is this, 6 inches, right? We've got the 6 inches for this one right over here, and it's also a good, yes, we got some accessories over here for me to take it off. So hindi ko muna siya tatanggalin, right? So and it's also, I got some also step for you to step in so that hindi siya gagalaw so that hindi siya gagalaw kapag kapag nagpa-pump ka. So step mo siya dito para hindi siya gagalaw ng ganon, right? So okay, so it goes, we got some 160. Yes, and we got some for mountain bike. For mountain bike is 20 to 30, right? So 20 to 30 yung PSI niya. So kung kapag cruiser naman ang ginagamit ay nasa mga 40 to 60, okay? And then also for the road bikes, we got also from 65 to 120 PSI. And also we've got some track, okay, 120 PSI to 160 PSI. So kung sa BMX naman ay nasa 25 PSI to 40 PSI, right? So and then from the hybrid na mga bisikleta, nasa mga 45 to 65. So yun, di ba? Ito, okay, papakita ko yan sa inyo, okay? Hirap, di ba? Hirap yung pagkita ko sa inyo. Yun siya, oh. Yun siya, di ba? So kita-kita nyo, okay? Pakita ko yun sa inyo, right? Oops, sorry. So ayun siya, mountain bike dito. Ayun siya, mountain bike. Mountain bike which is 20, ano ba yan? Okay. Mountain bike which is 20 to 25. Cruiser bike is 40 to 60, right? Road bike is lagay natin na 65, right? 65 to 120 yung road bike. Yung track bike naman ay nasa 120 to 160 PSI. So meron ding BMX kasi nakalagay ito, BMX is 25 to 40 PSI. Yung hybrid na mga bisikleta naman, ng mga bisikleta ay nasa ano ba yan? 45, okay, 45 to 65, right? So 45 to 65 yung mga PSI. So yan, mas okay to, maintindihan mo yan, right? So mas maiintindihan ng mga iba natin mga kasikista sa Pilipinas. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng Blackburn, I think meron sa Temu, right? So meron din sa Amazon, so pwede ka naman makabili ng Amazon kung nasa Pilipinas ka right? So pero may medyo kamahalan lang, okay? Siguro may kamahalan lang kapag naka-convert na sa Philippine peso, right? Mahal branded kasi Blackburn so branded kasi itong Blackburn ito. So yun siya yung PSI niya dito. So sa pressure zone gauge na ito, and it's also a really good floor pump, right? A really good floor pump, and it's also this one's not so heavy naman, not so heavy. It's a good one also for you to have this one. So Air Tower 6, okay, Blackburn Air Tower 6 yung ano niya, yung full name pala ng floor pump na ito. So napakaganda, and okay siya. So I think may tatlo na akong pump na pambisikleta meron akong hand pump, right? Yung portable, at saka meron akong electric portable na air pump, and there's also this one right here, and which is also the floor pump, which is the Blackburn Air Tower 6, right? So okay naman siya. So maganda yung handle niya, right? Okay din naman siya. Para kang nag-i-scooter nito, electric scooter nito So okay siya, maganda siya, and then yes, hindi siya wobble. And a very good product also for you to use this one, right? Perfect, right? And it's also a really good product, a really good floor pump, right? So hindi ako mabuti hawak kasi nga may trigger finger ako sa kamay ko, so masakit siya kapag talaga siya, right? So hindi ako makapag ganyan. So yung right lang talaga hawak ng malakas. So hindi ito, wala na So pero makapag-bike pa naman ako di ba? So okay din naman siya. So okay, this is really good, yes. And then yes, maganda siya, tsaka yun, okay siya, right? So ito, final touch, okay, final showcase, yun siya. Yan, yes, yan. Para siyang scooter yung niya, di ba? Handlebar niya, yung handle niya, parang handlebar ng scooter. Maganda siya, right? Okay, maganda siya. And also yung niya, siya. So yan, choices, Schrader and Presta. And then also yung pressure gauge niya ay merong mga right? So may mga talaga siya pang sa bisikleta. Alright, so okay. So I think yun yung bago kong vlog sa ngayon, and I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video, so, and also don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and see you again in the next video, everyone.